Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, you can learn how to experience robust flavors and benefits of food-grade essential oils, along with healthy food alternatives as I show you how to make one of my favorite fresh tuna steak recipes, olive herb tuna steaks. Following this video, make sure you go to the description below and download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide so you too can experience the wonderful flavors and benefits for yourself. This tuna steak frying pan method is so simple, and it's often my choice of 10-minute dinner recipes because you can make this recipe in 10 minutes and the flavor is divine. So let's begin by heating a large skillet with 2 tablespoons olive oil. Then we're going to add 1 pound of ahi tuna steaks that are cut into 1/2-inch slices. Cook them on one side, then turn them over. Then we're going to just lightly salt these as they're cooking. Next, we are going to go to another smaller frying pan with 1 tablespoon of heated olive oil and 4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Then, after sauteing a bit, add 3/4 cup finely chopped parsley, and then 1/2 cup of sliced Kalamata olives. Ooh, so yummy. This combination is so good. Now, let's add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and my secret sauce, 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 drop of oregano essential oil, and 1 drop of thyme essential oil. Mix this all together. It's going to be a great topping full of wonderful flavors. And that's it. Dish out your tuna steaks on your plate and spoon on the olive herb topping. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below. Ask your questions, comment, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide, then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.